Okay, got a picked up a Miyata 1000 yesterday. I think this is like early, like 1980 or so, one of the earlier ones. Pretty happy with it. I've given it a once over, a quick polish. I did the brakes. I basically just cleaned them off and checked the pads and adjusted the cables a bit better. I cleaned and oiled the, lubed the derailleurs, same with the back brakes, gave it a general clean over, and yeah, it looks pretty good. So now, and a little bit of a polish. Now I'm actually going to take it for my first ride. Yeah, it's like pretty damn awesome. It's nice when you get older bikes like this. It seems like when people know they've got something kind of special, like what a Miyata 1000 is, that it's I think they tend to take care of it a little better. So for a 1980s bike, and it's 2025 now, this is like a 45-year-old bike, and it's really in terrific shape. Well, anyway, here goes the first ride. Alright, put the stopwatch on. Just a quick one. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, obviously I'll have to fine tune the seating, a few things like that, but it feels pretty nice. I'd probably prefer to get a book saddle. Shifters are nice. They've got a sort of nice sponginess to them. It might sound funny, but ultimately I'd probably like bar end shifters. Yeah, it feels pretty smooth. Feels smooth. course, I better check if my brakes actually work. I only did them by feel. That wouldn't be very good, going down a hill and finding out I don't have brakes. Yeah, it's quite pleasant to ride. You know, the gear range is not as good as the modern bike, but it's still totally fine. I probably prefer bar and shifters, but the seat needs to come up a tiny bit. And I hate to do it, but I'll take the pedals off and put some SPDs, some Shimano's on, so I can use my mountain bike shoes with it. I think I need to rebuild the tyres as well. Just clean and re-grease the bearings, or replace the bearings. Yeah, it's very nice. I'm very happy. Alright, that's enough of this video. I just wanted to record the first ride. Obviously not original, but it's a decent seat all the same. this onto a BGT. 5-speed. This is like a chain slack disruptor of some sort. I have to research that. To a 3-byte front derailleur. I just need to clean this a bit. There's a wicked big gap in the chain here when you shift. It's just something, I don't really want to replace it at this stage, but it's just something to